Hi YouTube family, it's your girl Paris and I'm back again with another video. If this is your first time here at All About Paris, you're most welcome. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, smash the notification bell so you don't miss any time I post a video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. On today's video, I will showcase a 3-bedroom bungalow house in Kitengela, which is located within Kitengela town. It's a walking distance within Kitengela, about 1 kilometers from National Bank along Old Namanga Road. The house is so beautiful done, the finishing, it's amazing. I can't wait to show you the interior of the house. And the parking area can accommodate 3 to 4 vehicles, and it has a sliding gate which is beautiful. The sitting area is so amazing. It has beautiful big windows which brings in natural light. The gypsum ceiling which make this house very unique and spacious. Water is available 24/7. Good popular schools and amenities also are available in the area. This is the dining area. Dining area is also so spacious. It has 2 beautiful big windows which brings in natural light, and a sink. And gypsum ceiling in the dining area, it's also amazing. There is also a pass-through window from the kitchen to the dining area. This is the kitchen area with both lower cabinets and upper cabinets. And then this is the kitchen back door, which you can just open and see the beautiful view from the back side of the house. This is the kitchen store area, but for now it still has some construction item in it. This is bedroom number 1. It's an ensuite bedroom with a washroom in it, and it's also beautiful done with a big window which brings in natural light and a built-in cabinet. This is the master bedroom, which has beautiful big windows which brings in natural light. I'm so sorry guys, in this room there's still construction things in it, and it also has a very big cabinet, which is a good thing. There's also siren switch inside the master bedroom, which is a good thing for security purposes. And this is the combined washroom, which is beautiful done, and it's so wide and it's so big. It has enough space for shower area and the toilet area. If you are interested to buy this house, I will leave more details on the description box and the number to call. And we have the common room, which is in between the bedrooms and the sitting area. It's directly opposite the sitting area and beside the bedrooms. And that's the third bedroom, which also has a big window with a beautiful inbuilt cabinet. And I'm so sorry guys, I could not be in a position to film the whole room because there's a caretaker who is using the room at the moment and he needs his privacy. But the room is super big. It has a big beautiful window and it's amazing. The house is going for 9 million Kenya shillings. Let me take you around of the house so you can see how it's beautiful done. At the back of the house, we have an amazing external pit latrine. And the house is surrounded by perimeter wall, which has a wire razor on it. and a sliding gate. There is also a gate alarm, and parking area can fit 3 to 4 vehicles. And there's also a hidden tank in the ceiling for water backup. And the area is amazing. The house is located where there's a strong Nyumba Kumi resident association. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, smash the notification bell so you don't miss any time I post a video. Shalom.